Hi guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my today's video is very creative, very artistic and very classy at the same time. Because in this video I am sharing new style, very unique, long neckline, embroidery, design ideas. All of these design ideas are very beautiful and very pretty because they are very unique and stylish. You have been wearing very different style ideas, different patterns of neckline design ideas, but a very long embroidered neckline is a design idea onto which you can make two types of necklines, that is within the inner around your body requirements, around your body measurements. You can make a very beautiful bot neck, square neck, v neck or a round neck, very beautiful neckline with the help of piping, slit, buttons, loops and many more different and very beautiful stylish creative ideas. So you can say that this is a two-in-one creative style idea, that within the very beautiful long neckline embroidery patterns you can make a very stylish, creative and artistic, very pretty and designer style pattern of a neckline as well. So do try these patterns and make your shirts, tops, kurtis, blouse more beautiful, pretty and eye-catchy. And if you want to get more stylish, trendy and amazing ideas related to women fashion like hand embroidery, applique work, crochet patterns, knitting design ideas, baby girl dress designing, stitching ideas, step-by-step tutorial for beginners, and many more creative artistic fashion ideas related to women like jewelry designs, gold, original gemstone, diamond designs, handmade jewelry, crochet pattern jewelry, and not only this, mehndi designs, very beautiful handmade bags, crochet, knitted scarves, stalls and very pretty and artistic designer style women accessories like mobile cases, glasses covers, bags, vanity covers and different and creative DIY type ideas that can cover the whole range of women fashion world. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And today's video is a two-in-one, that is you can use it for machine embroidery as well as you can use it for hand embroidery. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, stay blessed. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.